In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text number in Smartsheet. New column 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a new column and set it to the text/number type so you can capture names, IDs, notes, or any basic values with confidence. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. If you're not already signed in, click Sign In and use your usual credentials. Keep this quick. Choose your standard login method and complete any prompts. That's it. After you log in, you'll land on the home page. Here, you'll see recent items and, on the left panel, navigation to your Browse section and Workspaces. We're going to use Workspaces to find the sheet we want to edit. Click All Workspaces to expand your list. If you manage many projects, this is the fastest way to get to the right place. Quick note, you'll need editor or admin permissions on a sheet to add columns. If you can open a sheet but don't see column options, that's usually a permission issue. Next, click the workspace you want to use. This opens the contents of that workspace, so you can see all the assets inside. Sheets, reports, dashboards, everything available to you. Now, open the specific sheet you want to update. It will load in grid view by default, showing your columns across the top. Take a second to scan the existing structure so you know where the new column should live. Move your mouse to the far right column header and hover until you see the three-dot menu icon. Click it. From the menu, choose Insert Column Right. You can also choose Insert Column Left, but inserting to the right keeps new fields tidy and avoids shifting established columns unexpectedly. If your team relies on a certain column order, think about where this will be most useful before you add it. A column settings window will appear. Enter a clear, descriptive name for the new column so teammates know exactly what belongs there. Then, set the column type to text/number. This is Smartsheet's flexible field for words, numbers, and mixed content. Great for notes, IDs, or simple counts without special formatting. Click OK to confirm, and Smartsheet will create the column immediately. You can start typing right away. If you need to relocate the column later, just drag the header to a new position. Keep names concise, avoid unnecessary symbols, and be consistent with capitalization, so filters and formulas remain clean. If you plan to calculate, remember that text number columns can host formulas too, but they won't apply currency or date formatting. That's by design. And that's it. You've added a text number column to your Smartsheet, ready for everyday data.